Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us. We're going into the next demonstration today of GCOP's new website. Today we are going to be going over favorites, how to create a favorites list that's going to make it easy for you to find that product again when you're looking for it. So again, I'm just going to go take us back to our landing page. So we've got favorites right here, and you can see I've got a number of different items that I've already got in there. So let's just say that I'm looking for some file folders. Okay, you can see I've found these file folders right here. You can see you've got the option, you can actually check mark a few of these items. If you know it's all three of these, once you've check marked them, you can hit add to favorites. Okay, and then we can basically, let's say I've already got a favorites that's created and I want to put those file folders in there. So you check mark it and you hit add to favorites. That's going to take those items that I've just did and it's put them in the file folders favorites. Again, I'm just going to go home. So next time I log in, I'm looking for those file folders. I go over here, I click on file folders. And we've got the file folders that I just put in there and all the different file folders that you need. And you can put as many items as you like in there. Okay, now I'm just going to show you if you don't have a favorites or you're creating a new one. And remember, your favorites are yours. You can create favorites for people's names, for the locations in your building, for the different, ink and toner, office supplies, janitorial supplies, printing needs, and just different favorites like that. They are your favorites for you to create. So let's just say I'm going to go in here and I'm looking for some business source products. I'm going to type BSN because that is the abbreviation for business source. Okay, and let's just go through and let's say I found these products right here and I want to put these into a favorites list. Okay, and I'm just going to call it, this is going to be my business source favorites list. Okay, so I've check marked those items. I'm going to add them to favorites. Okay, I don't want to put them in any of these. I want to create a new one, so I'm going to check mark it. And I'm going to call these my BSN faves. And then I'm going to add to favorites list. Alright, again, I'm going to go home. Favorites. BSN faves, I click on that, and all those items I selected are going to be right there. Now, another neat feature about favorites, you see this tab right here, you've got manage favorites. You've got it right here, but also you have it right here. You can go in here, and let's just say it's file folders. You can edit this list, okay? This is where you can go in and you can take items off. You can put items on, but the neatest thing about it is you can actually label items. Let's say that these products right here were inks or they were pens and that you knew they were for specific people. You can actually write their names in here and it will label it for you. So again, you could put front office, back office, you can put whatever you want to put to make it a little bit easier for you. We'll put those right there. Okay, I'm now going to go back to that favorites list. Okay, and you see I clicked on the favorites list right there, and now you can see you've got the different names. So if these were inks, and when Pat comes up to you and says, I would like you to order my ink, and they don't give you enough information, you've put it in there that's going to make your life a little bit easier further down the line. You're not going to have to search for it and look for that information. It's going to be right there. And that will be saved now forever for every single order. Okay guys, well thank you so much. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to either your rep or our customer service team. And we thank you so much for your business.